Senator Bongo, who has been dragged into the flood control scandal, defends himself, denying any ties to the Discayas and declaring his full support for the ICI probe. More in this report.
Kailangan mag-cooperate sila. Kung hindi sila mag-cooperate, pasensyahan tayo. Hindi ba? Ganun naman kasimple yun eh.
Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon has issued a stern warning. According to ICI Executive Director Brian Hosaka, the camp of Curly and Sara Discaya initially approached the commission in hopes of becoming state witnesses. But the couple's lawyer, Attorney Cornelio Samaniego, now insists that the Discayas are still willing to cooperate under one condition. In an interview with 1PH's One Balita Pilipinas, Samaniego clarified that the couple will still attend ICI's hearings if summoned, but they will invoke their right to remain silent when asked incriminating questions.
Actually, pag pinatawag pa rin sila ng ICI Commission, willing pa rin sila. Pero pag yung mga incriminatory, they refuse to answer na.
He also clarified that becoming state witnesses is not their goal.
Wala naman hong napag-uusapan na maging ma-include sila sa witness protection. Sa umpisa pa lang, sinabi na namin dyan na talagang magkakaroon kayo ng kaso. Pero hindi ho namin ina-after yung witness protection.
Ombudsman Boyeng Remulla, however, revealed that the Discayas stopped cooperating after being warned that they could face jail time. Investigators now suspect the couple is withholding information to protect certain individuals.
Nag-walk out sila, sinabihan nga sila that they may suffer jail time. They were not in a tell-all mood. They wanted to spare a lot of people and just choose what they wanted to say. Ika nga sa Tagalog, matinik tsaka madulas at ayaw umamin.
Among those linked to the flood control scandal is Senator Bongo, who told 1PHS sa Totoo Lang that he never used his position to favor his relatives.
Hindi po yan dahil sa aking impluensya. Negosyante po sila. Ang importante po, malinis ang aking konsensya. Sabi ko nga, hindi ko ginamit ang aking posisyon para bigyan sila ng pabor. At hindi po ako nakikinabang sa mga negosyo po nila.
He added that he is ready to take legal action even against his own family if proven guilty.
Hanggang ngayon yan pa rin pong walang katapusang issue. Kaya sabi ko pwede lang po magpalit ng kamag-anak or antayin na lang po nila kung kunin ng Panginoon. Huwag naman sana yung mga kamag-anak ko. Wala pong katapusan ito eh. Kaya sabi ko, sasagutin ko na lang po. Kasi paulit-ulit po itong isyong ito at hindi na po mabubura yan sa pangalan ko.